Hi folks, Marcus here at Country Wood Smoke HQ, and today I'm cooking up a turkey thigh low and slow. Okay, so I love this time of year. We're starting to get towards the festive season and turkey is on people's minds. Here I'm going to show you a different way how to cook your turkey on the barbecue this Christmas. Turkey thigh is so underrated. It's a beautiful cut. When it's smoked and you can pull it, it tastes, I think, possibly better than pulled pork. It's delicious and it's so easy to cook, and it's a really cheap cut as well. It's especially cheap at this time of the year because the butchers take off the crowns and they have to sell off the thighs cheap. So bargain territory. A couple of quid will buy you a thigh like this that will feed 4 or 5 people, which is great value for money. This one's got a bit of pepper on already, but I want to go with a bit of Country Wood Smoke magic on it. So I'm going to go for a bit of my house rub. This is a nice mix of spices and seasonings. Use your favourite spice rub mix. I'm just going to put that on top of here like that. Hit that nice meaty side there with this spice rub mix. I like quite a lot. That is perfect. Okay, so I'm going to get my meter probe out of the block and pop it in the thickest part here up to the line, and that is ready to go on the grill. This is going to go on the smoker. I'm going to start it at 140 and I'm going to build up the temperature to about 160. We're looking for high 80s. Turkey pulls at a lower temperature than pork. It's going to be delicious and amazing, and I want that skin and fat to crisp up on it. So I'm going to set my meter and I'm going for turkey, I'm going for thigh, and I'm going to change the temperature and I'm going to put 89 degrees C for this and see what it's like at that temperature. So I'm going to cook this on the PK grill. Over here I've got some cherry blocks over there and lumpwood charcoal. The lid I've got set up for indirect cooking. I'm going to pop this over here and let's see how we get on. Shut the lid down. So the meter's telling me that this turkey thigh is ready to come off now, and oh, I can smell it and see it looks amazing. That's superb. Oh wow, so juicy, such a moist, juicy cut. I managed to get the skin nice and crispy, beautiful colour, everything's crisped up. It should be ready to pull now. But it feels nice and soft and juicy, and it's great. So meat has done a good job here, it looks like. What I need to do now is to let that rest for a minute. I'm going to toast these buns, give them a quick bit of heat. There we go. Buns out. Perfect they are, nice toasty. The meter probe's done its business. So let's see how we've done with this. Hoping it just pulls apart like this, lovely. That's going to go really nice in a sandwich bun. Some of this juicy turkey meat here. And then I'm going to go for a little bit of hot sauce over the top. Lid on, that is sensational. I'm going to have a bit of the turkey here. Oh boy. Nice and juicy, very tasty, lovely with the smoke and a bit of the hot sauce on and the nice rubs on. That is an absolute winner, and please have a go at trying turkey thigh on the barbecue this festive season. Hope you enjoy what I do here at Country Wood Smoke HQ. That box over there, smash it, subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think of this video below. Cheers.